Materials required are paper, pencil color, brushes of three different size, 8, 3 and 4, watercolor. तो सबसे पहले जो हमारा बेस है वो हम करेंगे प्योर रेड में पूरा बॉडी और ब्लाउज़ करना है। बॉर्डर में थोड़ा सा ब्लैक मिक्स करके आपको बॉर्डर करना है। थोड़ा डार्क चाहिए हमें बॉर्डर, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा ब्लैक मिक्स करेंगे। So for the blouse design, mix white poster with little bit of yellow to do the designs and use brown for all the shadows. As you can see, the brown we have used is much darker under arms and where the pallu is touching the blouse, so it is much darker. For the skirt part, we are mixing white with a bit of black. You will get a very light whitish grey, and if you can see the design, there are a lot of floral design very close by. All the motifs are very close to each other. So to just avoid to spreading of colors, or if you're not very practiced to do directly with colors the design, so it's better to draw the design with pencil, some of it, not all of them. Like the bigger flowers, if you can locate the bigger flower, you can automatically draw a smaller flower with brush. So you just have to locate the flowers, and you have to be very patient to fill the designs. And I'm also using a bit of yellow in middle somewhere to do the stems, and there are some you will see some kind of zari work. So all those zari work is going to be in chrome yellow. I'm using chrome yellow mixed with poster white. Remember, all the embroideries are in poster white. You have to mix poster white with yellow or with black, and the color you are mixing, it can be a poster color, it can be a watercolor, but the base color has to be a poster color. Here I am using size 3 brush to fill the designs. You start with 00 brush. Make sure that the brush is clean, no other color is mixed in that. And be very careful, render all the flowers first, and then you go for the stems or the zari work. As you can see, just to locate the flowers, first I am doing the kind of outline for the flower. So it is a safer, it is a safe idea to do so, because once you locate the outline, it will be easy for you to adjust the number of flowers you are doing, and go by fold by fold. Don't do 4 flowers in this fold and 4 flowers in that fold. Start from the top or the bottom and finish one fold, and then go for the other fold. And you need a lot of patience to render so many designs. So I would say take your time and do it slowly. If in one go, if you are not able to do it. For the border, I'm using both the yellow zari for just for the highlights, and the white poster color for the body of the border. And you just have to make sure that whatever design you are drawing, it can be any random design, because obviously you can't see that close design. It has to be a very fine design, so that you can see very little bit of the border base but most of the colors. So for the shadows, so the design is a zari work around all the floral design. We just will highlight with brown color, so that you can see the flower clearly. And for the zari, we are using grey pencil to do the border, to do the shadow work. So for the dupatta, we are mixing lemon yellow with white color watercolor. Remember, watercolor, not poster color. And then you have to take little bit of lemon yellow and lot of white and lot of water to mix it, and then color the dupatta. And for the shadows, if you see, it's a ghungat. So because the ghungat, the face is getting a lot of shadow, as well as around the ear or inside of the dupatta is getting a lot of shadows. We are using brown for the shadows, and we are using little bit of gray as well to do the shadows. Little bit of green I am using because the green is not completely gray, but when it is mixed with gray it's giving a bit of darker tone. So yeah, just a little bit of green you have to use inside. And then for the whatever little bit of border is seen, you have to use red for that. सो होपफुली आज का ड्राइंग आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. होपफुली यू लाइक द वीडियो, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, and also do practice. I'm also coming up with from next week with very easy coloring as well as drawing tutorial. So do check it out, and thank you so much for watching the video. Also let me know in the comments what do you think of the drawing, and also let me know अगर आपके दिमाग में कुछ स्पेसिफिक है सीखने के लिए, या फिर आपको कोई सजेशन है इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स.